to our channel IL Education. Today our subject is science. In this episode, we discuss the artificial environment and green concept. Agricultural environment, industrial environment and urban environment we learn in biodiversity lesson. What is mean by green concept? Concept green mean following guidelines and policies essential for the maintaining good and services so that the natural environment on earth is minimally harmed or not harmed at all. It is called concept green. Now we discuss German parliamentary building. Energy for this building is obtained from solar energy, geothermal energy and biofuel powerhouses. In addition, it has special ventilating devices and contrivances to retain warmth. 80% of the total electricity requirement is produced within the building itself. Because of such devices, it was reduced the annual emission of the carbon dioxide from 7,000 tons to 1,000 tons. Beijing National Sport Complex. It was employed method to obtain electricity from rainwater ventilation is affected naturally. Therefore, the maintenance of the sports complex is carried out by low cost. Annie L. Moss Scout Complex in USA. Irrigation required for plant is minimized by growing plants which can withstand drought conditions. Use of water has been cut down by 40% by the installation of waterless urinals, toilets and showers which use water minimally. But Clark Commons Housing Complex in USA. This housing complex uses solar water heaters to get hot water. A roof with a plant cover absorbing heat and rainwater. Devices to purify bathroom effluents to be used in toilets. And fiberglass windows opening under hot conditions. This project saves energy worth of $60,000 annually. Agricultural process. Organic farming. The production process that promotes the well-being of agricultural environmental system, microbial activity in soil, biodiversity and biological recycle is called organic farming. First episode is end. Join us second episode. If you like our videos, please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Goodbye. See you again. This is an IL Education towards the infinity of education.